Today I'm going to show you how to choose the best product to repair your roof leak in warmer climates. Typically you know you have a roof leak when it is raining. It's critically important in selecting the product that it will adhere to wet surfaces. What we're doing here is simulating a leak repair on a wet surface. In this simulation we are going to show a leak roof repair on a sheet of glass demonstrating the adhesion or the lack of adhesion. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a bit of the competitor's product and see how this adheres to this glass underwater. As you can see, little adhesion. Now we're going to demonstrate the Henry 209 Extreme Wet Patch. As you can see, nice and smooth. As you can see, the Henry 209 Extreme Wet Patch, complete adhesion. As the competitor, minimal adhesion. It's critically important in selecting the product that it will adhere to wet surfaces. We just showed you how to select the right roof product to adhere to your roof when doing a proper repair. This demonstration here is on a step flashing, which is most common around skylights and chimneys. This is where majority of your leaks occur. It's important to choose the right roofing repair product to adhere to wet surfaces as well as to vertical applications during hot weather.